I can't believe I'm cracking up right now.
Keep it together. For God's sake, man.
Oh man, you're just ruining it. Look at my lips, you're ruining it.
So in today's video, I decided that I would share the 3 biggest mistakes that I have made in Forex so far. So I wanted to make this video just to help people understand that although it's not favorable, mistakes in Forex do happen. And the main thing is that you always learn from these mistakes so you don't continue to repeat them. So if you are curious to know what my 3 biggest Forex mistakes have been so far, and you'd like an update on my personal Forex trading journey, then keep watching. Hey guys, Candice B here. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Welcome back to my subscribers and welcome to my new ones. I hope that you all are having splendid lives so far. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you just love life and you're just trying to create the life that you desire. Also, make sure you watch this video to the end in order to get an update on my personal Forex journey. Okay, so let's just hop right into it. So one of the biggest Forex mistakes that I have made so far has been trading without a trading plan. I know what you're thinking. You're probably like, Candice, really? You think that you can trade without a plan? Yes, I did.
Boy, if you don't.
Now, I'm not proud of it, but I have had to unlearn a lot of bad mistakes when it came to Forex because I was led the wrong way at the beginning. I had not the best mentorship and I had bad judgment on my side. So, I'm still unlearning mistakes as well. So it's a process, especially when you've been doing something for so long and then all of a sudden now you're having to correct yourself. It takes some time. Rest assured, I do have a trading plan now, but back then when I was trading without a trading plan, it was just a disaster waiting to happen because I was literally trading blindly. So I would literally just look at the charts, do my analysis and whatnot, and then pretty much take a trade at any time. I had no structure. I had no plan of when I was going to enter the market, when I was going to exit the market, what pair to trade in what session, and it was just a hot mess, okay? So for anyone who's out there right now who's watching this and they think that they can trade Forex without a trading plan, I would highly suggest that you unlearn that bad habit and just take the time to sit down and create a trading plan. It's really not that hard. And it definitely benefits you in the long run because Forex trading should be treated as a business, whether you're doing it part-time or full-time, whatever your goal is, you should be treating it as a business, and your trading plan is basically your business plan. It's the blueprint. I had to learn the hard way that trading without a trading plan would lead to a lot of losses and a lot of blown accounts. So trade with a trading plan. So another big mistake that I have made in the past with Forex is trying to trade a small account and over leveraging it. So with this, I admit that I was definitely trying to rush the process. I was trying to make a whole lot of money in a little bit of time because I was just going through a lot of stuff in my personal life and it was just not the best idea at all. Because obviously if you are trading a small account, but you're over leveraging it, you're experiencing greed, you're experiencing fear of missing out, you're experiencing overconfidence, you're experiencing lack of patience, lack of discipline, lack of judgment. I can go on and on. It's all in one. And the problem with me personally was that when this was happening, when I was trying to over leverage a small account and I kept losing and losing, it was chipping away at my confidence, at my self-confidence. And then I started to question myself and I started to have a lot of self-doubt and in terms of, is Forex for me? And that kind of got scary. And one thing I really have learned from this is that self-doubt can really consume you, especially in Forex. I really had to stop and think, okay, Candice, do you think that continuing with this toxic pattern is going to end well? And you know what Einstein's definition of insanity is? It's repeating the same thing over and over, expecting a different result. Take that in. So yeah, even though, I do enjoy practicing with smaller accounts because it teaches me discipline, I've learned not to over leverage. And again, like I said in the previous point, it's something that, it takes time to unlearn. And to be honest, whether it's a smaller account or a large account, over leveraging is going to screw you over either way, to be honest. So it really doesn't matter. It's over leveraging that's the issue. And that was what I really had to unlearn, and I'm still continuing to unlearn. It's a process. It's a process. And finally, the third biggest mistake that I have made in Forex was letting someone else trade for me. Twice. One thing about me is that I am stubborn. I learn lessons the hard way, and it's been like this for a long time, and my family can definitely attest to that. But I mean, it's something that I've had to come to terms with and accept, and just try my best to keep, fixing it. But yeah, so I let two different people on two different occasions trade my account for me. So I funded the account with my own money. I gave them my credentials, and they were supposed to trade for me. And you know how that ended. Mind you, these traders are professional traders. They actually trade full time. They're doing very, very well. But I don't know, I guess it was just the pressure of having to trade someone else's account. Even though that was like a service they offered, that pressure, I guess, was the reason why it didn't end too well. So I'm assuming that's what probably happened. I'm not too sure. But yeah, maybe the pressure just got to them and money was lost. But the gag is I could only blame myself. And I had to quickly realize that and just take it on the chin, because at the end of the day, I gave them my money to trade. I trusted that they would, trade my money well. And if you think about it, is that really sustainable to have someone else trading for you? Like, it doesn't make sense. So once I accepted that it was my fault, it was way easier just to move on from it and never, ever let that happen again. So if you're thinking of having someone else trade for you, like literally have your account and trade for you, I mean, think twice. Think about the longevity of it. Think about why you're doing it. Is it because you just want them to make you quick money fast? Just take in all the factors and really evaluate if it actually is the wisest thing to do. I would hate for people to lose money like I did, but to each their own. So there you have it. I'd say those were definitely the three biggest mistakes that I have experienced in Forex, and hopefully I don't experience any more big mistakes. So now I will give you a brief update on my personal Forex journey. Right now, I would say that I am definitely focusing on my psychology. And although it's something that is a constant learning process, I've personally dedicated these next few months to just me really zoning in on my psychology, on my mindset, and on just really getting disciplined. Because with Forex, the mindset is definitely where it starts. And if you can't master your mindset, then you will not be successful. I feel like most people are always searching for a Forex trader's numeric success. And they don't realize that, the psychology of Forex is way more significant. So right now, I'm just really dedicated to improving my patience, my discipline, and my mindset towards my wins and losses. So taking as much time as you need to really invest in your mindset and your psychology is probably the best investment that you can give yourself in Forex. And to be honest, it took me some time to really understand that the mindset is more important than anything else. And once I learned that and I realized that, then my patience improved automatically. So although I do take trades here and there, if I see a really high probability setup, I will take it if it's, in my trading plan. For the most part, I'm just learning to sit and look at the chart and not trade. And that's definitely harder than it really sounds, because being able to look at a chart and not take a trade requires so much discipline I can't even explain to you. It is insane. So yeah, I'm really zoned in for 2020. I'm excited about the future. I know that these next few months are really going to be huge in my trading journey, and I'm really excited for that. In the meantime, I'm just using the time right now to just focus on my psychology and really get it on point. And I would also encourage you guys to do so as well. Just really invest in your psychology. It doesn't hurt. There is no rush to trading. I cannot stress that enough. Just take the time to do it the right way. Focus on your mindset and realize that the markets will always be there. And when you invest in your psychology and your mental health overall, you will see such improvement and such success in your future. And I hope that for all of you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate it beyond belief. I've been getting a lot of positive feedback and constructive criticism, so that is greatly appreciated, and keep it coming. I love interacting with you guys. Please like this video if you have enjoyed it and you found it informative in any way. And I encourage you all to connect with me, whether it's through social media or just by commenting below. I'll make sure that my social media is in the description box as usual. I would also love for you guys to subscribe to my channel. I'm definitely just dedicated to providing you with quality content, useful content, and entertaining content. So go ahead and subscribe since you're already here. Again, thank you all so much for tuning in, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye!